Raphael, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle monster truck, is roughly as tall as a one-story house. Add to that his 12-foot width, and he weighs in at just over 4 tons. To support his huge frame, Raphael requires tires that measure 66 inches tall and 43 inches wide. To make them spin, his engine cranks out over 1,460 horsepower.
Ladies and gentlemen,
the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Wow! What a leap! He is getting sick air. Oh, there he goes. He just blasts over that double car stack. That's how you do the wheelie.
He just destroyed it.